So here we are, right? The fire brigade comes because Royal has been burning some shit right there. And apparently some people just couldn't handle that, right? So yeah, they just told me you can't burn shit on the street because it's illegal. So whose fucking law, right? Why is it illegal to burn some wood and paper on the fucking street? Why? But yeah, Royal is just chilling because it's a bit of drama, right? Just creating some drama in this world and fucking shit up. Not trying to harm anybody. That's a contained fire, right? But just playing. And when you're going through your life, when you're having experiences and all that, shit like that happens. So yeah, there is a video before this that I did. So watch that one. The link is going to be in the description. Because apparently the neighbor came and he was like, why burning shit and all that, and started calling the fire brigades. Now they're putting the fire off and they can't handle the atish, so